Google always wants to trust the websites that they are ranking. And one of the ways is for them to verify the ownerships of websites. So here's how you go about verifying that you're the owner of your website. If you go to google.com/webmasters, you will see a page like this. Then click on the green Search Console button here. And you will see the landing page for the Search Console. Sign in, assuming that you have a Google account right now. And then you will see a page like this. So these are the websites that I own. Now, if you scroll down here, you see that this is another website that I have. However, it has not been verified. So you want to verify all the websites that you have, such as these two here. So how do we do that? First, you need to add a property. This button here, click on it. Then you have to enter your website's domain name. Now remember that there is a difference between HTTP and HTTPS. So if your website is based on HTTPS, enter HTTPS. Otherwise, enter HTTP. Because Google recognizes these two as different websites. So I'm just going to go and enter my website here. And click on add. So this is a step where you need to verify that you are the owner of this website. So one recommended method here is to upload an HTML file to your web hosting server here. Then you have to verify it by clicking on this link here. So let's go ahead and download that HTML verification file here. Step 1. Next is I will need to go and upload this file. To do that, we will use FileZilla FTP client. So under FileZilla, let's go ahead and connect to our web hosting server. For my case here, I've created an account specified here for my boothstand.com web server. Please remember that, especially for beginners, you need to use the right FTP protocol. It can be FTP or SFTP, which is a secure version of FTP. Some hosting companies provide you this, or some provide you this. And also, you need to play around with this, depending again on the configuration of your web hosting server. For my server here, I'll use this one. Then I can click on connect. So once I've logged in, you can see on the right side here, these are all the files for my website. So that's how I verify that I actually entered into my website folder. These are all the WordPress files and folders. So on the left side is my computer. So I'm gonna go and find that HTML verification file that I downloaded from Google, and I'm gonna upload it to my server. Alright, so that's done. So what I should do now is to return. So now I return to Google Search Console and click on this link here to verify. Great, it shows that I've been verified. So return here, click on this CAPTCHA here, and click on the verify button at the bottom. Great, so now I've completed my verification of my website.